Hi everyone, it's Danielle. We're doing Aerolase. That is this unit right here. It's loud, but you actually don't feel any pain with the treatment. So the great thing about it, it delivers high energy very quickly in the skin so that heat does not disperse into the tissue. It's painless for our patient. So we're targeting hair on the face, and she's actually gonna get a lot of improvement in other concerns such as redness and acne. She will be soon starting Accutane to try to limit the oil production and control the outbreaks. But for now, we're using this to kind of target a variety of concerns. The Aerolase device itself is safe for all skin types and treats everything from hair removal to acne, overall redness that it tones down. And she'll be doing these treatments about a month apart. In about 6 sessions, we should be seeing a good improvement, much less hair growth, and we can just continue on from there.